Friends, welcome back to Kids Learning Express. Today we are going to see Max. In Max, we are going to see write in short forms. Okay, a few numbers I have written here. So we are going to do this only now. Okay, first number A. 100 plus 10. We have to write 100 plus 10. How to write here? 110. So 110 like that. We are going to add and write here. That's all is a short form. Okay. In previous class we have seen expanded form. It means we have to write these numbers like this. I have given like this number. Now we are going to see this in this video. Already I have written like this. We are going to add and write it here. That's all. Okay. 260 plus 7. 267. Next 300 plus 8. 308. 308. So next 440. This zero is no. So I am writing 440. 594. So I am writing 594. 680. So I am writing 680. 710 plus 1. 711. Okay. 711. Next 833. 833. This is the way. Very easy, children. You can do it at home also. Okay, this is not difficult way. You can score high marks in short form and expanded form. Okay, you also practice at home, children. If you have any doubt in this, you can ask me in comments so I can clarify with you. Okay, please subscribe and like, share. Okay, do it. Okay friends, thank you for watching this video.